Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really satisfying video. Today I'm going to be sledgehammering random items. So I'm just going to be smashing them with a sledgehammer, basically like my video when I shot them with the BB gun, except for I had a terrible camera angle. I'm just going to put a comment on the screen after I'm done talking, which basically said my camera angle was not great. So this video promises to have a better camera angle, so just watch to the end, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so on your screen right now is some good feedback. If you guys also have feedback, please make sure to drop it down below. Alright guys, so as you just saw that comment that I put on the screen, it wasn't necessarily a negative comment, it was just some good feedback, which I like. If you guys have feedback on my YouTube channel, make sure to drop it down below. I read all my comments. And also, if you want a shout out on my next video, make sure to hit subscribe down below and comment once you're done saying done, and I'll reply to that comment and also give you a shout out in my next video. So, just one thing I wanted to address is I have changed my YouTube channel name again from Tyson Reviews just to my first and last name, but I didn't want to put a whole video around it because I figured nobody would really care to watch another 5-minute video on my name, so I just changed it back. And I also changed my profile picture, but it's the same channel and everything, just different name. So I just wanted to clear that up, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, now it's time for the first object, which is a water balloon. Alright. Wow. Alright guys, as you saw when I exploded the balloon, it was super satisfying, so let's just hit recorder on our slow-mo cam here. Let's do the same to this felt crayon. Ugh. Oh. Alright guys, sorry for the noise in the background. We're going to sledgehammer this orange, and this is going to be cool. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, now time for the can that's filled with water. Wow. Alright guys, now time for the fifth and final object, which is this flower pot. Alright guys, so I said that the other item was going to be the last, but I'm just having too much fun. So let's explode this. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I said that the last item would be my last, but I'm having too much fun, so let's just explode this. Alright guys, so that slime absolutely exploded. I'm having so much fun, so we're going to do another one. Oh, look what it did to the slime. Alright, styrofoam block now. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video to the end. This video basically took me literally all day to film, so it means so much if you guys would subscribe and like and maybe share it with some friends, and also give me some feedback in the comments, okay? I'm going to be uploading another video on Wednesday, so just stay tuned. I'm probably going to upload 3 videos every single week, so just stay tuned to that. Subscribe if you like this video, and maybe I'll make another one. And if you haven't already seen my BB gun video, I basically did the exact same thing, but with a BB gun, so go check that out for sure. I'll put it in my iCard, or I'll put it in the end screen at the end. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.